Hey folks, it's Robin Clayton, and I am here with another episode of Zodiac at the Farm, and we are going to be working on this beautiful flower today. This is going to be 4 pieces, including this small daisy flower, and I've got this beautiful red and white dotted orb. And let me turn it around the back so you can see the butterflies and all the colors, and then the beautiful hook. So stay with me because I'm going to give you the tips from A to Z on how to make this beautiful piece of art. Okay? All right. See you soon. It's beautiful outside. We actually had a cold front come through, and so I have long sleeves on today, so that's always exciting for me, just to get a little bit of cool weather. But today I'm going to be working on cutting some glass that I'm going to be working on future projects with. So stay with me because I'm going to give you the tips from A to Z on how to cut these pieces of glass. And I'm just going to show you the things that I'm going to be using today. So I've got my plate ready. I've got my marker and my measuring tape to measure the diameter of the flower and to correctly in the center so that I know where to lead the drill bit. I've got various different types of supports here. You need to have a variety of those when working with this type of glass. And I've got a little water bottle here that'll help me get through the glass quicker by softening the sediment. Okay, and I also have my safety gloves that I'm going to be using and my protective eyewear. Very important. There are many times when I use this drill press where I will have glass spit back on me. So it's just really important to protect yourself. It's just very important to protect yourself. I don't want anybody to get hurt. All right, I love you guys. All right, so I already know that I'm probably gonna have to elevate this, but I'm gonna use my handy dandy round cardboard piece. It's a favorite of mine. And the first thing I'm gonna do is measure the diameter of this, and that is 6 inches, so 3 inches. I'm just doing the outside of this flower. So 3 inches would be right in the center. So I'm gonna have to adjust. This. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my press. I've got to bring it up. I'm elevating the press. Okay, so I have a much better torque with my drill press. I'm gonna just try and center this correctly. Let me make sure that that's right where I need it to be. It's a little bit south of that red line right there. Okay, now I'm ready for a little bit of water. Okay, keep that close by because you're probably gonna need that. And here we go. Let's do this. Okay, and there's our hole. Perfect. Hey folks, okay, I want to go over a list of items that you're going to need to complete this project. And the first, of course, is always have your plates cleaned and ready to go, all put together, ready to go. You're also going to need a measuring tape to measure your plates. You're going to need some washers. I get washers like this from Amazon. They're relatively inexpensive there for the amount that you get. You're going to need your toggle bolt. You're going to need your hook. You're going to need safety goggles and safety gloves, as well as safety eyewear. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to need a magic marker to mark your plates, a towel, and Windex. And if there's anything at all that I have left off, it will be listed in the description box below. All right, so let's head to assembly. All right. Okay, so here is the back of the butterfly bowl, and I've marked my center. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Ryobi drill, and I already have my diamond tip bit attached. I've got a little bit of water here that I'm going to put on here. And then I also need I'm going to use this piece of styrofoam just to set right there. Another smaller piece right there. That way when my drill pushes through the glass, it will not damage this particular bowl. Okay, start at a 45-degree angle. Once the tip grabs the glass, and you'll feel it, then you're just going to slowly turn this Ryobi drill straight up vertically, just like that, and then it will push through the glass. Okay, and make sure you keep your the plate itself protected, and make sure you got your gloves on and your eyewear, and here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me get a towel. Let's get this towel out. Let's wipe this down. Okay, here is the finished bowl. All right. There's the finished bowl. Okay, that came out beautifully. Okay folks, let's go ahead and start the assembly of this particular flower. All right, so the first thing that I've done is I've taken my hook and I've put my bolt through it. All right, push it straight through, and then I'm going to go ahead and push it through, push this washer straight through as well. All right, then I'm going to take my bowl, I'm going to carefully turn it over and stick this straight through just like that, and then bring it back down. Okay, just like that. Okay, so then my next piece is a washer. I'm going to go ahead and put that right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my second piece, and I'm going to take my purple petal and place that just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to put another washer right there, and then I've got this beautiful little yellow daisy that I'm going to go ahead and stick right there, and then go ahead and put another washer just like that. Go ahead and start the toggle. Just take your time, get it fed. And we're not gonna, I don't want you to pull it all the way down, but I mean, get it, get enough down where you don't have to spend the, a whole bunch of time screwing it in. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and take my orb, and I'm going to go ahead and push that down and pull it back, and as you can see that the toggle has taken the orb. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully, very carefully, turn this over just like that. Phillips head screwdriver, and then go ahead and begin the process of tightening this down. Okay, let's see how that is. That looks pretty good. We could tighten it just a hair more though. Okay. All right, so let me turn this around. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, so look at all the color, all the textures. Okay, you've got your daisy right there supporting, acting as a bib for that orb. That beautiful purple flower petal is just amazing. Let me turn this over, and you can see the butterfly. This is going to be a really wonderful piece for outside because you'll really be able to see the colors of this. Isn't this amazing? So, you know, that little orange daisy actually matches the plates. So I tried to give it a bunch of different textures and, you know, volume as well when you look at it. I love the butterfly on the back. It looks just amazing. All right, so there you go. The magnificent purple and red orb flower right here at Zodiac at the farm. All right, see ya. Hey folks, okay, let me go ahead and show you how how this piece looks on the stand. Okay, so here is the piece. And let me turn it around so you can see it on the stand. All right, this is a very substantial piece and this stand is very large. The weight is okay. It's not one of the heavier ones, but it's not light either in weight, so you need a substantial stand for this. But I think it looks absolutely amazing on the stand. Okay, that looks absolutely amazing. Here is the way to mount this using a piece of PVC. I've painted this PVC and put polka dots on it. And then I've got a chair cover at the top with a hole in it where the hook sits. And this absolutely sits beautifully, snug as a bug in a rug on this particular piece of PVC. And I just think it actually accents it very well. So I think it looks lovely with the polka dotted stand. So the possibilities are simply endless, are they not? Anyways, this is a beautiful piece, and these are two ways that you can mount them in your home, both inside and outside. Hey folks, okay, here is the final viewing of this beautiful bohemian style purple flower with a red and white dotted orb, along with this beautiful hook and this beautiful butterfly and the flowers all around this butterfly. It is just amazing. So you've got a lot of textures, you've got a lot of layering, you've got a lot of depth on this particular piece, and it's just remarkable. I just think it absolutely looks beautiful, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this episode here at Zodiac at the Farm. And if you have, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the share button so that this can get out to others who are interested in glass art. If you have any questions about this episode today, please put your questions in the comment section below, or you can email me at zodiacatthefarm@gmail.com. If you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can reach me at zodiacglassshop/Robin Clayton at etsy.com. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you here next week at Zodiac at the Farm. Have a great day. Many blessings sent your way. Take care.